Is it safe to say now that the point is moved? There's so much to do and nothing left to lose. Is it safe to say now that we're in a fix? It's natural cause. Can you really call them flaws? And I stop to wonder out loud, oh, what should be left, what should be kept. And I start to wonder myself how you keep on living, why I keep on living while others are bringing more. Can we all just say now that is what it is? We should think of reform on this call before the storm. Can we all just say now that it won't calm down? Control our own urge since learning beats a search. And I stop to wonder out loud, oh, what should be left, what should be kept. And I start to wonder myself how you keep on living, why I keep on living while others are bringing more. To say now that it's no one's fault. We all got the need in the same way we eat and breathe. It should be right to say now that there's no quick fix. You're important, I'm sure, but you don't beat out billions more. And what will be kept. And I start to wonder myself why you keep on living, why I keep on living while